Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Our question today comes from Michelle, who lives in Zone 7A. And her question is, do you rotate crops in your 128 square foot high performance garden? This is a really great question, Michelle. There are 3 reasons that I know of to do crop rotation. So disease is number 1. If you have a disease in the soil, you're going to want to plant your crop in a different location the following year in hopes that the disease is not in the new area. Number 2 is pests. People rotate their crops to ward off pests. The hope is that you left the pests in the old area. Number 3 is nutrients. When you rotate a crop to a new area, the plant has a better chance of getting the nutrients that it needs in the new spot if it had depleted the nutrients in the old spot. So for me, I don't really worry about crop rotation. When I grow the plants in organic soil with a lot of beneficial microbes and feed the garden regularly, I do not have soil that is depleted. Now for disease in the soil, this is mostly taken care of by the beneficial microbes that are in the soil. So I don't have to worry about planting the same variety in the same place. And if I'm concerned, I will just go ahead and move a plant variety to a new area. And for pests, pests live regionally. So by moving a plant to 20 to 50 feet, most pests will move that far too. So rotating the plants for pests, unless you're going over like 100 yards away, it's not really going to do that much good. So I do like to rotate my plants so I do get to grow a different garden, so it's got a different feel to it, and I just enjoy the change of locations. If you are growing in depleted soils using chemical fertilizers that destroy the beneficial microbes, it would probably be best for you to rotate your crops. So if you have a garden question that you would like answered, go ahead and send us an email. The address is in the description below. Also, if you'd like to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce in only 128 square feet with only a 15-minute a day commitment, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. It's free, it's online. You can find it on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. I will also put the link below in the description.